Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The key points of the topic are introduction, history, definition, examples, structure, physical properties, synthesis of metallocene or a preparation of metallocene. The sandwich structure of metallocene in which cobalt and nickel is included also studied in this presentation. The next one is bent metallocenes, metallocene catalysis, applications also discussed in this lecture. Introduction, metallocene and sandwich complexes. Metal sandwich complexes occupy a major place in organometallic chemistry for various reasons. Metallocene are known with most metals and have applications in organic, polymer and medicinal chemistry. Why we discuss metallocene with sandwich complexes? Because metallocene are also known as sandwich complex, in which a transition metal is central one and occupied by two cyclopentadienyl complexes that behave as sandwiches, and the transition metal is in between the two cyclopentadienyl complexes. What is metallocene? Metallocene is defined as a coordination compound in which a transition metal such as iron, ruthenium, iridium, etc. is bound to a two-phase cyclopentadienyl anions bound to a metal center. And the condition for this that the metal center is should be in oxidation state 2. Here the general formula of the metallocene also given here, and some examples of the metallocene in which ferrocene, cobalt complex of the metallocene and nickelocene is also given here. Here the structure is given of the metallocene in which M represent the any transition metal, and the upper one and the lower one are the anions that are the cyclopentadienyls. History of metallocene. When was the first metallocene was discovered? The first discovered metallocene was ferrocene that recognized in 1951, and report of its sandwich structure in the 1952. The structure of metallocene is very broad sense and have a composition in which metal atom include the sandwich between two cyclopentadienyls. The metal atom should be transition metal or any other rare earth metals. The structure of the metallocene shows that they obey the 18 electron rule, that is the effective atomic number rule is also obeyed by these metallocene structures. And the ferrocene, that the first one metallocene is have discussed here, is its symmetry and its structure is discussed by using the X-ray crystallography and electronic diffraction techniques. Structure of the metallocene, the first one ferrocene is given here. In chemistry, we mainly discuss two types of the properties. The first one is the physical properties and the second are the chemical properties. In chemical properties, we mainly discuss the composition and the synthesis of the structures or any other compound that under consideration. And here I discuss the physical properties of the ferrocene, that is diamagnetic, orange in color, stable at a temperature 400 degrees Celsius, covalent in nature, soluble in hydrocarbons. And here some examples or more physical properties of the ferrocene is given. Here are some more examples of the metallocene. The first one is cobaltocene and the second one is the nickelocene. The cobaltocene is present in two forms. The first that obey the electron 19 electron, that have 19 electron, and the second complex that have 18 electron. The 19 electron complex of the cobaltocene is rich in electron and are air sensitive, and the second one that obey the 18 electrons and that have 18 electrons, it is a cation that is robust. And the second form is the nickelocene. Nickelocene is a practical source for the fragments, and its protonation led to the first triple decker sandwiches of the nickel. The next topic that we are moving in this presentation, that is the cyclopentadienyl metal arene complexes. Arene complexes are mainly the aromatic complexes that are discussed in here. The cyclopentadienyl arene complexes are mostly known with the iron and ruthenium. That means that the main transition metals included in this topic is iron and ruthenium. that obey that are stable complexes and have 17, 18, and 19 electron complexes and present in these forms. There are two structures in metallocene: the simple metallocene and bent metallocene. In simple metallocene, the rings are parallel, and in bent metallocene, the derivatives are with non-parallel rings, and angle should be in 130, and mostly known with the metal transition of the early rings that are of the early row of the periodic table that include should be chromium, titanium, ruthenium, vanadium. The preparation of metallocene. Generally, the compounds includes in the preparation of the metallocene are consist of forming and isolating the cyclopentadienyl or substituted cyclopentadienyl ligands, which are reacted with the halogenated or alkylated transition metal compounds to form a complex, which is then purified. Here, the reaction of formation of the metallocene, the first one, ferrocene, is given here, in which the conditions and the catalysts are given in the reactions or mentioned here. Metallocene catalysis. Metallocene catalysts play important role in many reactions like polymerization, include olefin polymerization, and the many rational substitution patterns in which cyclopentadienyl ligands are involved. And here the description is given in this slide. And the metallocene catalyst refers to the combination of many cyclopentadienyls with transition metal and forming metal complexes of groups like the transition metals of the main group and the first row of the transition metals also form complexes with the cyclopentadienyl by using metallocene catalyst. And the Ziegler-Natta catalyst also play important role because metallocene catalyst is involved in the formation of this catalyst. And the description of all these types or all these reactions is described in this slide. Application of the metallocene. Metallocenes have been used as chemical intermediates, anti-knock additives to gasoline, lubricants, and for other use, but a primary application is as a catalyst. Here that we discussed in the previous slide that the catalyst of the metallocene used in many polymerizations like olefin polymerization and used for substitution patterns like cyclopentadienyl anion ligand substitution pattern and many important reactions for the formation of catalyst like Ziegler-Natta catalyst and for many other substitution reactions of the transition metals. So the or more applications of the metallocene are in filtration, in medical chemistry. Metallocene catalysts play important role in operations of the gowns and covers, and in household materials like in the formation of the plastics. Metallocene catalysts play important role. So the applications of the metallocene catalyst is very vast and very informative for us. Here the reference of this presentation is given here, from which the material is collected for the preparation of the metallocene complexes. Thank you.